everyone, this is Amber with Social Speak, and today I want to share with you a cool app that we love called WordSwag. And there's two things you can do. When you open up the app, you can either click onto the camera icon and you can take a picture, or you can click onto the other icon, and this gives you their images that are through Pixabay, which are royalty-free images you can use, or you can upload from your own camera roll. So let's say I want to search for an image, social media. And it's going to load all these images that you can use. So you can scroll through, find the one that you want. And let's say we're going to do one on Instagram. So you find the image. The one thing I really like about this app is it allows you to choose the size, and it tells you if you're doing a cover for Instagram stories, a Facebook post, Facebook page cover, event cover, etc., etc. So what we're going to do is we are going to do square because I want this to go on to Instagram. So then we would just click crop here. And now this is a fun part because it says double tap me to change text. So you're going to double tap onto that. You're going to delete this, and let's say I'm going to have a class. Learn how to use Instagram for your business. And you can click save and close. The one cool thing about this is they have custom quotes over here for you. You can also, if you really want the wording to be on the same line, you can use auto line breaks off, so it's not going to run onto a new line. It's going to be exactly how you have it on there. If you are doing a quote, you can say, who says it there, so it's going to automatically put the dash and italicize that. So we would hit save and close. Now, I really don't like the way that looks, but the one thing I love about this app is it gives you plenty of different options. So let's say I like that font, but I don't like that color. You can click on the color, choose the color you want. They have different textures and patterns you can use. So it really allows you to get creative with your image. And the two options with each text is it has 1 through 5. So you can click onto each one to see if you like one better than the other. Or you can roll the dice and it's going to shuffle them for you. So you can really look and see, okay, I really don't like this one. Let's go to the next one. And they're always adding in new fonts, which is nice because you never get bored with it. There's always something new. And it really allows you to just get creative on a quick, under 5 minutes. You have a really cool custom image. So let's find one here that we like. Okay, so let's say I like this one, but I don't like that color. So I can come back to my color palette and I can choose one of these. So let's say I like just a plain black, okay? So you can also change the image. So I can lighten that. I can make it more vibrant, sweet, Broadway. So it allows you to really change this image however you want. This was the normal one, and that's what we're going to keep. So now what we would do is you would click save, and you can share this directly to any of your social media profiles. One step I recommend before you do that is click here where it says add logo. And same as last time, if you did a logo, once you put your logo on there once, you can then just click same as last time and it's going to insert that same logo. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it's going to put the Social Speak logo right on there. Now, by using your fingers, you can shrink that down, make it bigger. I'm going to put it right into the right-hand corner and I'm going to click save. Now I can share this to Instagram, but it's also going to be right in my photo scroll. So here it is, and I can email this to myself. I can put this to Instagram, Facebook, any social media platform you would like. And this is the app that was called WordSwag. I hope you enjoy.